here's a quick video sample for the PhoneArena review of the Pixel 4. This is Midtown Manhattan near the New York Public Library, and auto exposure seems to be doing a pretty good job. This is shot in 4K at 30 frames per second, which is the highest quality video that the phone can handle, and there's optical stabilization as well. If we zoom in, we should see the lens transition to the telephoto lens, which offers 2x optical zoom. And we'll do a couple of focus checks. And back to the full 1x zoom. Google also has electronic stabilization in addition to the optical, so in theory there should be very little lag, but we'll see how that pans out.